Good morning everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm making this short video because I'm back from a small job I did for a customer who needed to do 2 tensile tests, and I did it for him since he didn't have anyone to do the job for him. It was basically a trivial thing, and during this operation, I did something that is completely normal for me. I've been doing it since I was a kid. My dad taught me how to do it, and I closed a thread in the lathe clamps. Normally I do it in normal clamps and then saw a screw, I don't know. And it looked like I had done something, but hadn't you ever thought of that? They told me. And yet for me, it's a trivial thing, and probably for 95% of you even then. Having said that, I don't work for 95% of people. I don't make these videos for 95% of people who, like me, have experience and see these things as trivial, but I do them for that 5% who may have never seen them before because they are young, have no experience, or come from a different field of work. So I ask the more experienced to bear with me if this video may seem trivial, and I'm making it for the simple reason. Now I'll stand here. And for the simple reason that I noticed a certain amount of amazement from those who saw me do it, and I thought that just as they were amazed, someone else might be as surprised. It's trivial. Well, I had to take it. I basically had a photo. I'll show it to you later because you came to mind right away. Okay, let's put it here. In the meantime, I essentially had a billet about 150 millimeters long from which to make 2 tensile tests to do some studies. I had to make one and then make another. I said, okay, I'll take the first half between the clamps, make the first one, then turn it, make the other one, and then we'll cut them. Well, they said to me, and how do we clamp the others in the chuck? Simple. This is an M20 times 1.5. Take 2 M20 times 1.5 nuts, cut them with the pliers, put them on, and then do what you saw in the photo, which is this. Okay, now I'll enlarge it for you. But it's something I've been doing since I was little. When I was cutting screws, my old man taught me to cut the hexagon, put it in a vise, and then with the hacksaw, click, 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 and click, and then the nut, as it comes out, traces the thread towards the outside, and that's it. Here, if someone, like me, wasn't lucky enough to have a father who taught them these tricks since they were little, I'm here to teach you this, which is something that a metal worker should do every day, and, I repeat, probably 95% of you already know it. Well, I hope that there's a 5% who learned something today. I thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, please, you already know how to say thank you. Subscribe to the channel and do something else every now and then. In addition to subscribing, which I really appreciated because there are so many of you, share my videos on social media so that they can be useful to more people. Obviously, maybe in groups not for Lego or Playmobil, but in groups for turners, of which there are some. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.